Women can go multiple rounds. Men usually can't. And before you say stamina, stop. It's not about strength. It's not about discipline. It's not about trying harder. It's biology. When a man finishes, his brain releases a chemical spike, prolactin, and in seconds, desire drops. Dopamine shuts down, arousal collapses, his nervous system flips into recovery mode. That forced shutdown, it's called the refractory period. It's not weakness, it's wiring. But a woman's system, it doesn't have that same hard reset. No biological off switch, no chemical command that says, you're done. Her nervous system can stay activated, stay responsive, stay in the wave. That's why she can rise again, without starting from zero. Two bodies, two hormonal blueprints, two completely different recovery cycles. So when people make it about performance, they're missing the real driver. The brain decides, not willpower.